Hello guys, welcome back to Technobi, and today we'll be going through various camera modes available in Samsung S23 Ultra. So starting from photos, videos, pro mode, food, portrait video, night photography, pro video, director's view, single take, hyperlapse, panorama, slow motion, super slow motion, and so on. Oh my god. So there are so many feature which this beast S23 Ultra has got. So we'll start from the most basic, the primary camera mode, which is the in camera app for S23 Ultra. So this one over here is 1x. Let's take a picture. Then we go to the 3x from the same distance, and we'll check the zoom clarity. And then we are going to do 10x. So over here it shows the dust and everything which is there on this remote. Let's click the picture for clarity, and after processing this is how it looks like. So pretty clear image. This is 3x and this one is 1x. Then so when we talk about main camera app, there are various options available over here. And if we go through the details over here, it shows the timer, which is 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You can set the timer as per your preference. Then there are various aspect ratios. So this one is full. Then if we do this one, this is 1 by 1. Then we have 9 by 16, which is portrait. And then this is the one which I like the most, 3 by 4. Then we have 50 megapixel photo. Let's have a sample shot. So 50 megapixel, and this is 200 megapixel. So 200 megapixel is the biggest difference as compared to S22 Ultra, which had 100 megapixel, the maximum one. So if we go to the preview, this is the image is still processing, as we can see down here. So this one is 200 megapixel shot. So the added advantage for 200 megapixel is that you can crop or zoom as much as you want, and it's going to retain the details. So you can see, like, even if we zoom in too close, there is no blur, so picture is not blurring out. So that is the main advantage. And this is the 50 megapixel which we just clicked. So but like, the main difference between 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel is that you can go into more details. So these are the previous ones as we clicked. And now this is the flash option, which is off, automatic, and on. You can change the settings as per your convenience. And then we have this video mode. Over here it is auto framing on, which focuses on the framing of the object. So it automatically adjusts the framing depending upon the subject. And if we turn it off, then we have this focus enhancer called feature. So if we turn it off, then this is what the preview looks like. And then if we turn it off, it automatically enhances the focus between the subject and the camera lens. So video quality, there are several modes: HD 30 fps, FHD 30 fps. So the one which I like most is FHD 60 fps. And then we have UHD 30 fps, UHD 60 fps, and then finally 8K 30 fps. So 8K video is that doesn't used to be there in S22 Ultra, but now S23 Ultra supports 8K video. So let's have a sample shot, and let's see how UHD 60 fps and 8K 30p fps look like. So this is UHD 30. Let's start the video. We'll land it here, and then we'll shoot another one 8K. So let's go like this, and let's see the previews for 4K and 8K. So 8K by default is pretty clear, smooth, and very sharpened out in comparison to the 4K UHD. video. So that's about it, like in this particular video, because there are so many features. I'll be rolling out different videos, so stay tuned for more videos on the channel, and do like, comment and subscribe.